Good morning. இன்னைக்கு வந்து நம்ம ஏரியா ஆஃப் அ ரெக்டாங்கிள் ஸ்கொயர் அண்ட் ரைட் ஆங்கிள் ட்ரையாங்கிள் அதை பற்றி படிக்கலாம். சி ஏரியா ஆஃப் அ எனி பிளேன் ஷேப் அதை எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுனா சி த ஸ்கொயர் ஷேப். அபூர்வா அண்ட் ஹர் பிஸ்கெட்ஸ் அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட்ஸ் in the beginning. We do not know measure of the side of the biscuit, but we know it is in the shape of a square. Let's its side be 1 unit. இப்போ ஒரு சைடை வந்து 1 யூனிட்னு வச்சுக்கிறோம். The tray can hold 12 square biscuits. That is 12 square biscuits, that is square units. Biscuits ஓட லென்த் வந்து 1 யூனிட்னு வச்சுருக்கோம் இல்லையா, சைடு அதை வந்து யூனிட்ஸ், that is square units, occupy the entire space of the tray. This is a rectangle tray. It occupies 12 square biscuits. This space of the tray is called the area of the tray. The area of any closed space, say the area of any closed shape is the surface occupied by the number of unit squares within its boundary. இப்போ ஒரு மூடிய வடிவத்தில் அதுக்குள்ளே இருக்க ஆக்குப்பை பண்ணுற ஸ்பேஸை தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்கிறோம், ஏரியான்னு சொல்கிறோம். The area of any closed shape is the surface occupied by the number of unit squares within its boundary. பவுண்ட்ரின்னா அந்த பவுண்ட்ரிக்குள்ளே இருக்க ஸ்பேஸை தான் நம்ம ஏரியான்னு சொல்கிறோம். சப்போஸ் ஈச் சைட் ஆஃப் த பிஸ்கெட் இஸ் இன் 1 inch length, then the area of the tray is 12 square inches. See the rectangle, area of the rectangle, length is denoted as L and breadth is denoted as B. So area of the rectangle is L into B square units. Find the area of the rectangle of length 12 cm and breadth 7 cm. So substitute this length and breadth in the formula. Area of the rectangle A is equal to L into B, that is 12 into 7, 84 square units. Don't forget to write the units, that is square centimeter. Okay, you can write centimeter square also, both are same. Next, area of a square. In a square all the sides are equal, so it is represented as side into side. Area of the square is side into side, square units. Find the area of the square of side 15 centimeter. Here side is 15 centimeter, area of the square is side into side is 15 are 225 square centimeter. Area of a right angle triangle. This area of a right triangle is only half of the area rectangle shape. If you draw the diagonals in the rectangle, you can get the right angle triangle. Yes, so this base here, the length is here the base and the height is here the breadth. So base and height are in the right angle triangle. Area of the right angle triangle is half into base into height, half B into height square units. See the example, base is given 18 cm, height is 12 cm. Find the area of the right angle triangle. So area is equal to half base into height square units. 1/2, 18 into 12. Cancel this 12, 2 and 18, you will get 9. 9 12s are 108 square centimeter. So area is 108 square centimeter. Now perimeter and area of the combined shape. So if we combine two shapes, the combined shape is the combination of several closed shapes. The perimeter is calculated by adding all the outer sides of the combined shape. The area is calculated by adding all the areas of the closed shapes from which the combined shape is formed. See for an example here, perimeter. Find the perimeter of the given figure. The base one is the square, the upper one is the triangle, and another one is the rectangle here. So we are going to find the perimeter. Perimeter means total length of the boundary. Add all the sides, outer sides, you will get the perimeter. That is 6 plus 2 plus 10 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 9. Totally you will get 48 centimeter as the perimeter. Find the perimeter of the following L-shaped figure. See the L-shaped figure. This L-shaped figure is in the rectangle shape. So you make it as two rectangle A and B. If we join this, you will get 28 centimeter as the length and 7 centimeter as the breadth. In the rectangle B, 28 minus 7. Here 21 centimeter as length and 7 centimeter as breadth. Rectangle B. First find the perimeter of the L-shaped figure. 28 plus 28 plus 7 plus 21 plus 21 plus 28. So 112 centimeter is the perimeter. The area means area of the rectangle A and area of the rectangle B. Rectangle A length is 28, breadth is 7. So area is 196 square centimeter. Rectangle B length is 21, breadth is 7. A is equal to L into B square centimeter. That is 21 sevens are 147 square centimeter. So add rectangle A plus rectangle B area, you will get the total area 343 square centimeter. Find the area and perimeter of the rectangle in the following situations and observe the changes. See, in this combined figure, a square of side 3 centimeter is cut at a corner of the removing the area. Here we are removing one area, one part of the area. The square of the side 3 centimeter is cut at a corner of the rectangle. A is equal to L into B minus S into S. Here one rectangle shape. In this we are going to cut the corner of the rectangle 3 centimeter 3 centimeter. So your area will become L into B minus S into S. 12 into 8 minus 3 into 3, that is 87 square centimeter. Perimeter is 12, 8 plus 12 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 9, that is 40. The perimeter is not changed but the area is reduced. The perimeter is not changed but the area is see another one. A side of square 3 centimeters attached to the rectangle. One rectangle is the same in that same rectangle we are attaching the 3 centimeter square. Then what will happen? Area is length into length plus S into S. Here we are adding the area 12 into 8 plus 3 into 3, that is 105 square centimeter. Perimeter is 8 plus 9 plus 3 plus 3 plus 11 plus 12, that is 46 centimeter. Here both the perimeter and area are increased. Their perimeter is not changed but the area is reduced. Area will be reduced, perimeter does not change. Here both the perimeter and the area are increased, that is combining and reducing the part of the shape. See, 4 identical square floor mats of side 15 centimeter are joined together to form either a rectangular mat or a square mat. Which mat will have a larger area and a longer perimeter? 4 identical means same square floor mats is joined. See, 15 plus 15 plus 15. This is in the shape of a rectangle and another arrangement 15 15 15. This is in this shape of a square. So perimeter of the rectangle is P is equal to 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into L is here 60, 15, 4 times add it, you will get 60. Breadth is 15, that is 16 plus 15, 75. 75 2s are 150 centimeter is the perimeter. Area of the rectangle is 16 into 15 is 900. Here perimeter in the square shape, see 4 into S, that is 4 into 30, 120 centimeter. Area of the square is equal to A is equal to 4 S into S, that is 30 into 30 will get 900. Both area is same but perimeter is different. There is no change in their areas but the rectangular mat will have longer perimeter. Yes. See this grid sheet, we call this sheet as a grid sheet. The square shape is further divided into small squares. Here 1 centimeter, see the conversion, 1 centimeter square is equal to 10 millimeter into 10 millimeter, that is 100 millimeter square. 1 meter square is equal to 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter, that is 10,000 centimeter square. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter into 1000 meter, that is 10 lakh meter square. Fill in the blanks. 2 centimeter square is equal to 200 millimeter square. 18 meter square is equal to 1,80,000 centimeter square. 1 kilometer square, 5 kilometer square is equal to 50 lakh. 50 lakhs meter square. Thank you.